Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the time to the screen timeout at the Samsung Galaxy M21. So for that, just scroll down here to go to the settings with this symbol here at the corner. And then we will need the point display. And then we will need here the point screen timeout. So basically, I think it's enabled with 30 seconds, but I would recommend you maybe 1 minute. But please not more, because then your phone will take too much energy, because the screen takes a lot of energy and we should think about our planet. You know what I mean? Okay. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your questions. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested to know me, just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.